What is demure? Imagine a formal dinner where everyone is dressed to impress. Amidst the crowd, Sarah stands out not for her flashy outfit, but for her graceful demeanor. She speaks softly, listens attentively, and engages in conversation with a natural, unpretentious charm. Her modest dress and subtle smile complement her gentle nature, making her presence both pleasant and memorable. Sarah's behavior is a perfect example of being demure. She exudes an understated elegance and modesty that quietly captures admiration without seeking the spotlight. Demure describes a demeanor characterized by modesty and reserve, often associated with a gentle, understated charm. When someone is described as demure, they typically exhibit a shy or modest behavior that is both appealing and refined. This quality is often seen in social settings where a person remains composed and unassuming, avoiding overt displays of confidence or assertiveness. The term can also apply to a person's appearance, suggesting a style or dress that is elegant yet restrained. Overall, being demure involves a graceful modesty that draws positive attention without being overly conspicuous.